Welcome to Performance 7 Insights, the podcast for fast-growing Australian companies.
Hi, I'm Nathan Samios. Welcome to today's episode. Today, we're going to be talking about how to prioritize your tasks in a high-growth business. Perhaps you've got a million things on your plate right now. Your to-do list is so long, you don't even know where to start, what project to work on, or what task to prioritize first. Today, I'll run you through a simple matrix that will help you prioritize which task you get your most bang for your buck for and which tasks you can park to the side. The matrix we're going to focus on today is called the Eisenhower Priority Matrix. This matrix was developed by Stephen Covey, the famous author which you might be familiar with, and it works on how to prioritize tasks based on two factors. One, the importance of the task, and two, the urgency of the task. So, imagine you've got a matrix. On the y-axis, you've got the importance of the task. You want to separate this by not important and important. On the x-axis, you've got urgency and separate this by urgent and not urgent. In the top left corner, in quadrant 1, you've got urgent and important. These tasks you want to do first. Any decisions you consider both urgent and important are tasks that can't wait and you need to get them done right now. So, I'll give you an example, sending a report to your boss that they need right now. In quadrant 2, we've got not urgent and important. So these are the ones that we need to plan for. The tasks which fall into this category should be completed second. So I'll give you an example, creating a budget or preparing PowerPoint slides for a presentation. Quadrant 3, not important and urgent. For these ones, we want to delegate them. Chances are that your day is full of these types of decisions. Delegating some decision making to others will actually free up yourself so you can focus on the more urgent and important decisions. So I'll give you an example again, booking travel for work or creating an interview process for junior staff. Someone else can handle this for you. Quadrant 4, not important and not urgent. You already know what to do with this, get rid of it. Get it off your list. If there's a decision that's not important and it's not urgent, then don't worry about it and move on. You can park it for now. For example, looking into a new software that you might want to use in the future. It's not the thing you need to be worrying about right now. Our best clients will use this model because they are growing so fast and they need to make the most of their time each day. So in saying that, they'll focus on those important and urgent tasks, like I mentioned earlier, but not only that, the important but less urgent tasks when they have the time and capacity to do so. So if you've got a high growth team, I'd really encourage passing on this framework to them because it'll set them up for success throughout their day.
Thanks for joining P7 Insights, a podcast for fast-growing Australian companies. Have any questions? You can email us at admin@performance7.global. Thanks for listening. See you next time.